What is up YouTube, Nick from TutorialTellers, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get a colored name like this on Black Ops 2 PC. So as you guys seen in the intro, my name was Red, and today I'll be showing you guys how to change your name to any one of these colors right here. So here are the color codes. I'll leave all of this right here in the description. So pretty much what you want to do is replace this with your name and copy all of this right here. Choose your color and your name and copy it. And you want to go to your Steam profile. And once on your Steam profile, you want to go to edit profile. And once on edit profile, you just want to type your name and paste the code pretty much. So number 1 is red, and I'm going to change mine right now to green. And I think green is number 2. So yeah, green is number 2. So I'm going to change the 1 to 2. And I'm going to keep my name as my YouTube. And once you found what you wanted, go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. Once you save the changes, you can now launch Black Ops 2. So Black Ops 2 has loaded, so now I'm going to go ahead and click Online. And as you guys can see, my name is now green. Now, unfortunately, this emote or emoji, whatever you want to call it, shows up, but your name is indeed colored. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next video.